Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit from Binance to Quotex. First, ensure you have active and verified accounts on both platforms. Next, select a cryptocurrency that both Binance and Quotex support, such as USD. It's crucial to match the blockchain network on both sides to prevent any loss of funds. Remember, Quotex typically has a minimum deposit of $10, though this can differ based on your location and chosen crypto. To begin on Binance, log into your account and head to the wallet section, then select Fiat and Spot. Click Withdraw and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like USD. This is a critical step. You must select the exact same blockchain network that Quotex supports for that specific coin. For example, if Quotex uses TRC20, select TRC20 on Binance. Finally, input the amount you wish to send, keeping in mind any withdrawal fees. Now switch over to your Quotex account. Log in and locate the deposit button, usually found in the top right corner or within your account profile. Here, you'll select the identical cryptocurrency and, most importantly, the matching network you chose on Binance. Quotex will then provide a unique deposit wallet address. Copy this address with extreme care, as any mistake will result in your funds being sent to an incorrect, unrecoverable location. Return to Binance and paste the Quotex deposit address into the recipient address field. Before confirming, meticulously double-check all the details: the cryptocurrency, the amount, and the selected network. This step is vital to prevent errors. Complete any required security verifications on Binance, such as two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, the transfer will initiate. Keep an eye on your Quotex account. Deposits usually process within a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.